Guys, this is me Sadi again. Welcome to a brand new vlog, and today I'm going to help you. I am literally going to help you for it, and if you like it, you're gonna thank me later because I am going to show you very little time consuming hijab tutorials because it takes only just 2 minutes to get ready with your hijab. And in a while, when you are going to work and when you're going shopping or anything, you took too much time for your makeup and everything, but don't worry, you are gonna get through it because your hijab tutorials consume very little time and you are gonna look fabulous. Even though these two hijab tutorials are very effortless, but it is really very classy and really very sophisticated, and yet it actually helps your attire, helps your outfits to be very classy and very effortless. So let's start and try this hijab tutorials with me. So let's go. and that was it. I really hope guys you love this video, and if you do, please like it and subscribe my channel, click that notification button so that any new video pops up you can see that too. And if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe it. So I'm going to see you in my next video. So till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.